It's been a real uphill road trying to coordinate with all of the agencies, working in collaboration with the JDF, PICA, Airports Authority, JUTC, JDF. They get double mention. Our healthcare workers and across agencies under the Ministry of National Security, Health and Wellness, and Foreign Affairs and Transport and Mining to ensure that we worked with not only TUI to get home their 84 crew members across 6 ships, but also 40 members of the Jamaican community, or rather Jamaicans who were stranded overseas, although we have included 2 elderly persons who were coming back with caregivers and were stranded. All of the safety procedures are followed: masks, gloves, etc. On hand. They had temperature and health checks before they got online. There were also health screening as part of the JAM COVID process. So you have to answer health questions before you're approved. And if you answer certain questions in a particular way, you would not be able to approve and you wouldn't be able to apply again for another 14 days. As a matter of fact, it was 124 approved, but I understand it's 120 landed. Oh, it's positive. They're happy to be home. They're just happy to be home. There are a couple families on board, 3 young children, 1 newborn baby. There's some elderly persons as well, along with the crew workers. So they're just really happy to be home. Students who were in challenging circumstances and were assisted back. So it's good to know that they're home.
Everybody wants to come home. People have to fill in the re-entry forms to be able to do that. And it's going to be a sort of slow process, but everybody's happy to do so. And I think now people are realizing that we need to come together as a nation and build up to one country. Because when we are in other countries, we tend not to get the recognition that we deserve. We should all come back here and put not only resources, but also the brain. The brain is the key to success in other areas.
I just wanted to let you know that we're glad you're home, we're glad you're safe and sound, and we hope that you'll be comfortable in the arrangements that have been made for you. We're trying to ensure that we secure both you and your family's health, so the transportation arrangements that have been made for you, not going to allow you to do the usual hug up and greeting that would normally take place. We'll have to postpone that until after quarantine, but we do hope that the arrangements that we've made for you on the North Coast will be sufficiently comfortable, even though I know you just can't wait to be home in your homes. And we just want to know that we wish you good health, continued good health, wish your families continued good health, and to just thank you for your understanding and your patience as we all work through this together. We know it's been tough. All right, so welcome home.